We just received an order on one of our REACH-01 PCs. Let's go through the entire process together. I'll show you how it's done. This customer found us online and told us what they needed. They're a dad who doesn't have a lot of time to mess with researching parts, building, or messing around online if something comes up. He's just getting back into gaming now that the kids are a little bit older. This is a perfect fit for us. We're here to help. We walked him through the options and he decided on a REACH-01. And we're done. Let's take it for a spin. This is exactly the experience we want our customers to have. No FPS drops, no lag spikes, no stuttering. Smooth gameplay in all esports titles with quick load times. I'd call it a job well done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are looking for a PC, give us a DM or check out our website. We'd love to work with you.